Hello! Welcome back to Karenliz TV. And for today's video, I'm going to give you swatches of these new lipsticks that I just received. So this is the Secret Nature Creamy Lipstick. So I have 5 shades and this is the complete collection. So you have your Juicy, Grapefruit, Pomegranate, Pink Molly, Peachy Peach, and Autumn Leaves. So if you want to see the swatches, then keep on watching! So, yung packaging, dumating yung product na naka-bubble wrap and then meron siyang box. And then, dito sa box, nandito yung kanyang product description. Secret Nature Creamy Lipstick. Highly moisturizing creamy lipstick fills the lips densely with color as the viscous melting texture closely adheres to the lips along the lip lines. And then, net weight 5.5 grams or 0.19 ounce. And madami yon for a lipstick. And then, it is also made in Korea. So, meron siyang ingredients din dito sa gilid. And then, yung other parang claims niya, which is natural glow, moisturizing, and with Jeju herb complex. Ang maganda dito, may English translation. And then, meron din, of course, yung Korean niya. So, which is good kasi nga, because made in Korea to, kung Korean characters lang yun nandito, hindi mo siya mababasa. And when you open it up, ito yung kanyang pinakalaman. So, nasa labas na siya. And gusto ko yung kanyang packaging. So, as you can see from the packaging, ayan, medyo off-white ito. Ito, off-white yan. And then, you have yung parang wood or parang bamboo yung itsura niya, diba? So, when you open it up, ayan. So, meron parang gold. And then, twist mo lang yan para malumabas yung lipstick. And then, ayan, ikot mo lang ulit, pabalik. And then, you have here yung Made in Korea, and then yung name ng lipstick. And then, sa baba, of course, yung shade. And this is number 5, Autumn Leaves. And ito yung gamit ko ngayon. And then, its retail price is 1,110. I know that's quite expensive. So, kung bibili lang kayo, gusto ko yung bilhin nyo is yung pang everyday shade. Like, number 4 or number 5. Or actually, depende kung ano yung gusto nyo o yung preferred nyong shade. Pero, my preference is yung number 4 and yung number 5, which, this is yung 5. And then, yung 4th is medyo yung peachy peach. Yun, diba? Pwede kayo maka-discount. Check out the description box below. Nandun yung aking direct link para ma-order nyo to or mabili nyo to ng 980 pesos only. Of course, yung texture niya is creamy talaga siya. And then, pinakita ko na pwede siyang gamitin sa cheeks as a blush. Make sure lang na wala pa kayong powder kung gagamitin nyo to as a blush kasi creamy nga siya. So, pagka-cream on top of a powder, syempre, parang magagalaw yung powder. So, better na before powder. So, kung nakapag-foundation ka pa lang yun, pwede ka nang maglagay after the foundation. Kasi, ayan, meron pa siyang parang instant glow effect kasi nga parang creamy and balm type yung kanyang effect. Highly moisturizing siya. So, also, hindi din siya smudge proof or transfer proof kasi nga very hydrating, smooth, and creamy talaga siya. And ang maganda dito, kahit na ganun yung kanyang texture, nabibuild up mo yung pigmentation. Pwedeng gradient, pwedeng light lang. And, tignan nyo naman, full yung color niya. So, that's it, Malos. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!